today's video, I'll show you how to export a list from Klaviyo, a crucial skill for managing newsletters, backups, or analyzing your audience data. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account and navigating to the Audience tab in the top menu. From the drop-down, select Lists and Segments. Here, you'll see all your contacts organized. Find the specific list or segment you want to export and click on it to open the list details page. Next, look to the top right corner and click Manage Segment. From the drop-down, select Export Segment to CSV. The CSV format is versatile and works with Excel, Google Sheets, and other data tools. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to choose which details to include in your export, such as names, email addresses, organization info, and more. Select the data points that suit your needs, then click Start Export. Depending on the size of your list, this may take a few moments. Once the export is complete, you will receive a prompt to download the CSV file directly to your device. And there you have it. Your Klaviyo list is now ready for analysis, sharing, or safekeeping. Following these steps ensures a smooth and efficient export process, helping you manage your audience data effectively. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.